This is my workshop. It starts there by the light and ends there by the fire hydrant. This is my cryptic sign. Here's the workshop from left to right. It's my big roller shutter door. Here I store some big stuff that are on their way out quickly. Here we have some panels. This is my table saw. Here I've got all the smelting stuff. And there I have a rubbish store. There I've got some wood. Here's stock going out to the next job. Here's a movable workbench. Here I've got the center workbench. And I'm surrounded with more workbench and storage over here. I've also got a couch for resting. And an electric guitar and bows and screws and places to do work and stuff, and a place for power tools and a grinding station and a coffee station and a smelting tool station, and plenty of space to be creative. Up there I've got a store to store long things and stock and all of Looney's crap. And if I go around here, I can store a huge vehicle here, maybe even two. I've got a shower, a toilet, kitchenette, stairs to go up, hot water geyser. And then if I go into the valuable store there, then I've got some valuables here. There's paint, here's heat exchangers, here's a gate I'm going to put up here. There's mounting structure. Here is plumbing fittings. There are controllers, switch gear, cable store, all the different cables we're using, scrap cable or offcuts. And I've got stock going out as well. And I've got some old computers, and I've got internet cable, and here's some inverters also stock going out. Nice wheelbarrow, more stock going out. Safety gear is over here, and there's more smelting stuff down there. Here's a whole lot of lithium batteries that are waiting for the client's house to be finished. Here's a wash place. There's a rail where I can hang some of my clothes and more safety gear. Here's my zombie apocalypse stash with lots of cans of food and stuff here. There's about 720 cans of food. There's more power tools, valuable scrap metal, a lot of gardening tools, and Denel ammo boxes. At Denel ammo boxes we're using as toolboxes. They don't break, they never break. They last forever. That is my workshop in a nutshell. You should come visit. There's plenty of space to be creative here. And oh yes, here's all our screws and stuff. But the screws are sorted in such a way that the 6mm screws are in one box, and it also has a drill bit and marking tools. There's all kinds of different things here just to make life easier, neat, and everything works.